got our head here. We got the mouth finished. We got enough play on that. So we're working on the horns. And what I did was I sanded these down, cut them down here to fit, and rounded this piece down so it doesn't stick out so much. So those are going to go on here. I'm going to use an 1.25" screw for these. We're just going to check them out temporarily. So what we'll do is we'll screw them on, but we'll glue them also so they don't rotate on us. I'm just going to try them out for the moment. This one. Got the horns on here. So what we'll do is I want to seal the head before I put these on permanently, because these be in the way when I try to get stuff sanded. So I just wanted to check them, make sure they worked all right. Make sure they're where I wanted them. And then we have our 2 little ears here that we're going to put on. And these are going to go on like this. Out in here. So we're going to drill a hole in here for our screw. This one. We'll take our Dremel here. We want to open this up a little bit. Do that so we can inset our screw just like up in here. And then I'll use a 1-inch screw for this. And those are going to get screwed on right here. Flatten this out just a little bit. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.